Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. It has been a hot minute since our last advent calendar unboxing, but we are back and coming in hot with the L'Occitane advent calendar. The L'Occitane Australia team have kindly gifted us this beautiful calendar for us to unbox together. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming advent calendar unboxings. And trust me, there are still a lot to come. Today we have the honor of unboxing the classic L'Occitane advent calendar. This is actually one of 4 advent calendars on offer by L'Occitane. There is the classic advent calendar, the premium advent calendar that we have here as well. And there is a reusable calendar that you can refill every year and a giant advent calendar. Now the last 2 aren't available in Australia, but I believe they might be available in the UK. If you haven't heard of L'Occitane before, they are a luxury French skincare brand and they specialize in beauty and skincare products. They actually are super into sustainability, and recently I even saw that they have a refillable station in their store for their eco bottles like this, which is really nifty. So this classic advent calendar has one full-size item. It's valued at 218 Australian dollars and retails for 99 Australian dollars. Now you know I love my full-size items, so we also got the premium L'Occitane advent calendar, but that is for another video. Now this is a single brand advent calendar, so this is going to be perfect for L'Occitane lovers or for people in general who want to try out their range and maybe think about buying something in full size later on that they love. Now I will put a link below on where you can get this if this is the calendar for you. Let's start with day 1, shall we? Day 1, and we have the mini almond shower oil. This one is 35 mils and this product is crazy popular, you guys. One product is sold worldwide every 15 seconds. This one's obviously packed with almond oil, and by the way, if you didn't already know, this smells amazing. If you were wondering, you do use shower oils just like body wash on wet skin. Moving on to day 2, and we have the Mini Immortelle Precious Cream. This is 5 mils and is meant to be a daily cream targeting aging and enlarged pores. Okay, sign me up because my pores be huge and anything anti-aging is always a yes from me. It's also got hyaluronic acid, all wins in my books. On to day 3, we have the Mini Verbena Cooling Hand Cream Gel. This is 10 mils and the hand cream smells of a very beautiful citrusy scent, very unisex. So this gel turns matte super fast too, which is perfect since I don't normally like that sticky after feeling of rich hand creams. So for day 4, we have the Mini Almond Shampoo. This is 35 mils and it has the same scent as the shower oil. It's honestly just a very light vanilla and almondy scent. I really love it. This one is of course packed with almond oil and is rich in omega-6 and 9, leaving that shine on your hair. Now on to day 5, and we have the Mini Almond Conditioner. Where there is a shampoo, there is a conditioner. Similarly, this is also 35 mils and has the same scent once again. We have day 6, and inside is a wooden comb. I don't know how I feel about this one. It does feel like a little bit of a filler item. I normally don't really use combs because my hair is quite long and thick, so we'll probably give this one to the hubby. On to day 7, and we have the Mini Verbena Shower Gel. I really love the verbena scent. It's just so amazing, so I really am glad to see this one in there. It is 30 mils and I'll probably end up buying the full size after this. Next we have day 8, and no surprises, we see the Mini Verbena Body Lotion. This one is 30 mils and I'm really loving that they paired up shampoos and conditioners and now shower gels with body lotions. Time for day 9, and we have the Mini Shea Butter Lip Balm. This is our first lip product and it's 4 mil. This is packed with shea butter, which protects, hydrates, and softens the lips. My lips are honestly the worst. They're always super dry, so I'm definitely going to give this one a go. On to day 10, and we have another shea butter item. This is the Mini Shea Butter Foot Cream. This one is 10 mils, and I actually think foot creams are often overlooked. I don't even remember the last time I paid attention to foot care, but this one is apparently anti-inflammatory and has essential oils to help with tired feet. Gonna give this a go. Day 11, and we have the Petite Remedy. This is 6 grams. It's their all-in-one balm, packed with shea butter, lavender, immortelle, and almond. This is amazing, and I love that you can use it anywhere from your hair to your heels. It's great for nourishing dry skin, taming eyebrows, giving shine to your hair and nails. I just wish they gave this miracle balm in a bigger size. We are on the halfway mark at day 12, and we have the mini verbena leaf soap. This one is 25 grams and is in the cute leaf shape. As I mentioned earlier, I am extremely in love with the scent of the entire verbena range. This one is packed with vegetable oils too, and can be used as a hand soap or for the shower. Given its size, I will probably use it as a hand soap. On day 13, we have the mini cherry blossom hand cream. This one is 10 mils, and it's actually one of the most popular scents from their hand cream range. Their hand creams in general are very popular, and this one has such a nice floral scent. This hand cream is packed with cherry extract and shea butter, and I love that it leaves a non-greasy texture. We move on to day 14, and we have the Mini Intense Repair Shampoo. This one is 35 mils and is packed with 5 essential oils, which we love. And did I also mention it's silicone free? Yup. So inside we got the good stuff. We have the sunflower oil, provitamin B5, black oat extract, and hydrolyzed esters of jojoba. On day 15, we of course have the matching Mini Intensive Repair Conditioner. It's also 35 mils and of course packed with 5 essential oils too. This is fantastic for dry, brittle hair. And guys, my hair has been through so much. At one point, it was elastic and I could like stretch my hair. It was really bad. So I definitely need this one. Love this duo, and my hair definitely is in need of this. Next, we have day 16, and we have another hand cream. This is the Mini Rose Hand Cream at 10 mils. If you love that beautiful rose scent, this one is definitely for you. I actually prefer their limited edition one, which is the Rose and Pear. So check that one out, you guys. We move on to day 17, and we have the Mini Citrus Verbena Shower Gel. This is like Christmas for me because of how many verbena range products we're getting. And you know I love the verbena range. This is 35 mils, and of course you already know I love the scent. Wait, I am a bit confused though, because we got the verbena shower gel on day 7, and this is the citrus verbena shower gel. Am I tripping? Okay, so I looked it up, and apparently the difference is the citrus one has lemon oil and grapefruit extract, making it even more citrusy, which is a yes from me. Next, we have day 18, and yes, we have the matching Mini Citrus Verbena Body Milk. Ooh, I am so excited for this. This one is 35 mils, but I don't know why when you say body milk instead of body lotion, that milk part just sounds so much more lush and luxe. It just feels like rich people say, I use body milk. You know what I'm saying? On to day 19, we have the Mini Shea Butter Milk Soap. We have another milk product. Already a yes from me. This is 25 grams, super hydrating and nourishing, of course. This one has a vegetable base, is extra gentle and safe for kids too. Moving on to day 20, we are back to the face care. We have a Mini Immortelle Overnight Reset Serum. This is 5 mils and it's super duper popular. One sells every minute worldwide. Now this is one of their best sellers, and I can totally see why. This one is used at night only and is packed with essential oils, antioxidants, and is perfect even for sensitive skin. On day 21, we have the Mini Shea Butter Ultra Light Body Cream. This is 5 mils, and I love that it's ultra light. I really hate super sticky, creamy body creams, and this is definitely not that. It is still packed with shea butter, so still perfect for dry skin. Next, we have day 22, and we have the Mini Shea Butter Hand Cream. This one is 10 mils and is of course their absolute best-selling hand cream. One is sold every 3 seconds worldwide. Let that sink in. Somewhere out there, they just sold 5 of these hand creams as we were unpacking this. Isn't that mind-blowing? Second last day, and we have the Mini Almond Soap. I've always been a fan of the almond range and scent. This one is 50 grams and is meant to be an exfoliating soap. It's great for all skin types and of course, smells delicious. Last but not least, we have day 24 and our full size Almond Delicious Hands Cream. This is 75 mils and retails for 32 Australian dollars at L'Occitane. Finally, we have our full size item and it is enriched with almond milk, almond oil, and has a very, very beautiful fresh almond scent. If you love the almond range, you'll definitely love this one. So this is the L'Occitane Classic Advent Calendar. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. Now I know this one only had one full size item, but I do think the Classic Advent Calendar was great for discovering the range at L'Occitane, or if you're just a L'Occitane fan. Now they do have bigger premium sized advent calendars, which of course contain bigger sizes and also more full size items. We will be unboxing those in a later video. For me personally, I really liked discovering the range. I hadn't had time to try a lot of the products here, and it really enabled me to delve deeper into discovering the range and figuring out what I would like to purchase in full size later on. I would also like to thank the L'Occitane Australia team for sending this beautiful advent calendar for us to unbox and review together. If this is the calendar for you, I will leave a link below on where you can get it. They are always super limited, so don't wait around. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!